Hey everyone! Today, we're unlocking the secrets to adding an IPTV playlist. First, let's dive into why an IPTV playlist can enhance your viewing pleasure. Having a personalized playlist keeps your favorite shows just one click away. Avoid the clutter with our guide, making access to content seamless and fast. Let's start by finding a reliable IPTV service to source your playlist. We recommend 2TV.store for their robust selection and outstanding streaming quality. Once you've selected your service, we move on to playlist setup tips. Make sure you have a compatible device and a stable internet connection. Access the playlist URL and enter it into your IPTV player settings. Be patient as your playlist loads. It might take a moment. Explore your playlist. See how easy it is to navigate and select. Consider exploring advanced features like sorting and favorite lists. For even more convenience, set up notifications for your shows. Feel free to tweak settings for the best picture and sound quality. If ever in doubt, our community is here to help you troubleshoot. Now you're set to enjoy your favorite content with ease and versatility.